Ahead is the biggest day of their lives. The day they will leave their nest by jumping from the cliffs and try out their wings for the very first time.
But making it to the ocean does not guarantee safety. It's not just family who come to the rescue. Neighbors from high and low pile in too. Because no matter which ledge they're born on, they're all in it together. As proficient in the water as they are in the skies, their small but powerful wings allow them to dive 650 feet. But the seasonal summer melt is just what visiting seabirds need to access the Arctic's riches.